What's up, traders? 3 total trades today. Let's get to it. All right, so disappointment first. Did not get the recordings. I did on one trade, which was SPWR, and the other ones I just completely was trading on another chart and I didn't even realize it. So sorry about that. The SPWR trade was unfortunately the most boring out of the 3. So we'll just go over that one first. SPWR jumped up. It did not want to get up to 1250. I believed we looked at the daily on this one. Yep, we had a line up there at 1288. It just didn't want to get there, so we decided to jump in once we felt the resistance, and it started to come back down, and it tried 1233, and we realized, okay, this thing actually shot up pretty quick, and it did not want to come back down pretty quick at all. So as it started to come back up, we took it off, ended up getting 1239, goes high of day, ends up giving us the big drop after it went high of day. So not going to be too unhappy about this one. Unfortunately didn't quite give us that extra push through 50 like we wanted the first time, and then giving us that drop, it decided it wanted to mess around with us a little bit first. So pretty much a break-even trade there, nothing too crazy. OMER, this was a pretty good one. Went right up to that daily level that we had drawn. Let's pull this up, and we're gonna have to scroll out just a little bit here if DAS wants to cooperate with us. Maybe not. Come on, there we go. All right, so had the line drawn right here based off of here, used it over here as well a few times, and we had this other line drawn, but we got rid of it once we realized we weren't going to use it. And it was also the pre-market high, so came right back up to it. We got short, looking for it to come back up or keep going. Unfortunately, when it went through, we were looking for it to go just a little bit higher to get an add up there towards 25.50. We didn't quite get there. We got to 25.46. We were looking for it to go through, and it started to come back down. We realized it was heavy, so we added in so that we could at least get some more shares on this. Gave us the dump, and we saw it coming down. It dumped pretty quickly all the way down to this area. Jumped back up just a little bit. We took it off, and then obviously it kept trying to go lower. But pretty good cover there. It went all the way back up towards high of day before rejecting and coming down lower. So again, pretty good read on the price action as far as when we got out. The one that we didn't have a very good read on was MGM. This one was a good trade. It just so happens that we decided to take profits a little bit early just based off of, just us being us. It was a quick move down, I'm not going to lie. This thing, I don't think we had any daily levels, or, obviously we had some. Oh, okay, it was right off of this previous move up here on the daily. Bounced right off of this thing. And that's when we got short. We realized it was bouncing, started to come back down. We jumped in 59, pretty much flushed immediately down to this area. It started to stall a little bit right here at this previous resistance from pre-market, and I said we only got a starter position. That was a pretty quick flush. Let's just take it. Figured this thing might be a little bit bullish, and it was just getting a nice little pullback. But boy, were we wrong. Left a lot on the table. I don't really think we even would have got past this area here. Because as you can see, it started to get bought up here. Most likely would have taken it off here if for some reason we didn't take it off here. But this thing just kept on going. It probably made a lot of people that got short up near the top look pretty stupid unless you had a rather large position and you could scale out all the way down. And yeah, that was our 3 trades today. Nothing crazy. We're just kind of easing our way back into this. But I'm pretty excited. Everything felt really good today. And we even got an add on Omer, so that was nice. As you can see, that was our biggest win, and I'm just excited to keep moving forward with this. So like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. I always appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.